Hello YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be doing something for Freedom Friday. We're going to be opening up one of my nice cars and displaying it. So this is the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione from 2022 Hot Wheels ZAMAC release. This is from the Factory Fresh series for 2022, number 7 of 10. You can see the ZAMAC there. This is a Walmart exclusive. No paint on this. Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. Really cool car. 156 of 250 on the year. And there is the back there. This is, so I am an admin of a group by Timmy's 10 Again Toys. It's called, I think it's All Diecast Scales, Fun and Unboxing, something like that. And I do a daily theme. And today's Freedom Friday, so I decided to have something to open up for Freedom Friday and to show off. So this actually has a little bit of a soft corner there. I actually picked two of these up, hobby shop find. So here we go. Nice crack open there. And this is going to be a Walmart ZAMAC, Walmart Exclusive ZAMAC. So this is a nice Alfa Romeo sports car, two-door, and these chrome Y5 rims. There was also a red one that came out earlier in the year. And then this is the ZAMAC Walmart Exclusive one. Pretty nice casting. Look at that. Love the unpainted design on this. Don't have too many ZAMACs in my collection. I think I opened up a ZAMAC before on the channel. It was the Chill Mill from 2018. And that was in a mass unboxing, so I don't have an individual video on that. Look at that. Beautiful unpainted design there. And black interior. There's all the designs there. Painted details in the front. That's what I like about the factory fresh cars. Then we got some more of that right there. Nice small vehicle. There's the back. There's the other side right there. Black plastic base, really nice model. Good spinning wheels as well. Super nice ride. 2022 Hot Wheels ZAMAC. Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.